On the side?
2.5 sets to the 1 so far.
Okay, yeah, fantastic.
You know, it was a brand new leg when I started with it, and the leg's barely worn. You know, if you look how some of these are now.
Oh yeah, I see.
They were all new at the start of the season. I put a new leg on with a new point, so that's it's only done 130 odd hectares.
And this one would have done how many?
Probably 300.
Okay.
Because you see how thin that's gone on the back of the wing there, can't you?
Yeah, yeah.
So I suppose once it started going through here,
Then you're starting to find it nipping in on the leg.
Yeah,
Yeah.
The ones what are completely US, I'd bin, and then these ones I should just hard face them again and use them in the spring on the week. Grow about 1,000 acres of maize.
and what we've done is put 10 mil of tungsten on that heavy duty one.
Yeah.
When the man first brought it out, where it was a real heavy wet clay, and you could see a difference there.
Yeah.
So it just disturbed a bit more. There's a few more lumps either side of the ladder.
Yeah.
Maybe, you know, you could barely notice it. You could, you could see it, but now, well, you can see for yourself. You can't really see a marked difference. To be honest, that the things on the outside.
Because the standard ones are exactly the same. So we've got 25 mil crop on the nose.
Yeah.
And then you can see is what we do is we take it to 10 mil the cube. All the way up.
Yeah.
So that's all 10 mil. Whereas what we've done here is we've retained that 25 mil right the way through to the top.
Yeah.
So it's more than double the thickness. And I think you said, then we can see there's possibly a bit more disturbance when it's in the stones, but it's marginal. A bit more when it's on the clays without this sort of stone content.
Yeah.
And what we also did is when we put this on, we thought, well, it's going to last a lot longer. We put this protective sleeve that's protecting the leg.
Yeah.
So when you start putting all that on, you think, well, it's going to throw wear somewhere else. And we've seen it has thrown a little bit underneath. If this was lasting 2.5 times longer, those wings would have gone, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
So that's why we put that tungsten strip on. Do you feel that's worked?
Yeah, definitely, because generally it wears fixings away.
Yeah.
So, and they're still, well, it's just starting to catch the top.
Just starting to catch the
I
top.
can still get a span on that.
Yeah.
These ones wear almost away completely. You've got a job to hold it. So yeah, it's done its job, definitely.
So this is doing the bulk of the work, but you would have had to have thrown that away quicker if we hadn't put that tungsten on.
Yeah. You know, you can see the tungsten is doing its job because you can see where here now, can't you? The fin loss of it.
Yeah.
If you look from the bottom, you can see it's really tapered in.
Yeah. With that tapering in, it has just started to catch on this leg.
Yeah.
So is that coming a bit here, pinched in, taking a bit of the leg out, but that's not going to mean you have to take that away. You can put a new one on there.
Yeah, that'd be fine, yeah.
When it starts thinning out here, that's a different...
Yeah, they just start snapping off.